the markets continue to climb northbound. And what we see here is a modest gain in today's market. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and for the next few moments I'll be your host, brightening your life with the latest and the best on technical analysis on the Wall Street under review. And it is Thursday, June 11th, 2015, and the S&P up 0.33%, the Diamond's up 0.34%, the Nasdaq up 0.18%, the Russell's up 0.3%, the banks down just a bit. Silver up a smidgen, and you have gold down almost 0.5%, the US dollar putting pressure on the markets, up 0.43%. VIX, which is the fear indicator, softening by 2.3%. And here we are, gang. Looking at the markets now. Check this out. Trend lines. Rising wedge formation. Okay, either the red line or the blue line, but the lower line, big time rising wedge formation. Rising wedge broke down on increased volume. We doji out at a support level. We rally. Now we have what's called an evening star reversal pattern with closed windows coming through. And listen, let's pause here for a second. I'm throwing a lot of technical terms at you. I don't expect you to know them all. Go up here to Grok Trade, take the 101 courses, and they'll help you out for sure. They're free. Anyway, so with this evening star reversal pattern, closed windows, looking for weakness going into tomorrow. If in fact we do get this, this will be a bear pullback to a resistance area that used to be support. Great area to be looking for shorts to the downside. We pop higher on itsy bitsy volume. Taking a look here at the diamond, same thing. Had this big triangle. Triangle broke down. Volume. We get this a little morning star. Boom. Big pop yesterday. Another pop higher. Doji at resistance and below the 20-day moving average. This would be a great place to see weakness to the downside. After all, the banks did go bearish today while all the major indices were bullish. The Nasdaq up. And, to be quite frank, this one isn't nearly as bad. Still has upside potential. Still below the 20-day moving average, though. Could certainly drop here. If so, I would draw a trend line coming down if that were to happen, closing out the week on Friday. Russell's, boom, shot up, almost a tweezer top, but we are fighting this resistance, big time resistance areas. We just are having a hard time getting over that. Real light volume today, gang. Very, very light volume. The banks, we were off to the races. However, today we have a lower high, higher low inside trading day. Just a stalling taking place on financials. Quick look at silver. Silver went down, tagged that trend line, rallied back up. We have a hammer. It's looking like a low base for me. It did not continue the drop. It came back up. So there could be a chance that this thing, I don't know. Just, I would stay away from silver and gold. Here's gold. Gap higher, gap lower. Now this is called, it's very rare, it's called an abandoned baby reversal pattern. This is where you get a gap up, a body, a gap down with two open windows. We have that right here. Now I am not going to call this a sell for on gold and say just sell this, because this ETF is very gappy. So this could be a false abandoned baby reversal pattern. Normally if we were to get this with a stock that's not as gappy as this one, this would be a very good argument for big time sell possibilities for gold. And a quick look here at tech stocks and any big movers. GoPro loses 3.3%. Had a pop here, drop, but still above the 20-day moving average, but showing some weakness. And Twitter, let's go down to that one. That one's at break even. The CEO stepped down today, which was big news. And maybe, I'm not sure, didn't read the article. It'd be interesting to see what happens on that. But GoPro is the one that took the big hit. LinkedIn was up a little bit. LinkedIn's been doing fairly well, and big time mentorship coming up. Do not be somebody that just listens. Be somebody that jumps in, locks arms with us, learns how to trade the proper way. There's nothing more frustrating to me as somebody who has followers from 155 different countries. We have tens of thousands of people that listen to our video from all different platforms that we release this. And the thing that frustrates me to no end are those individuals that watch this and try to trade without education. It's like watching golf on television and thinking you're going to go out and become a professional golfer because you watch a lot of it. You need a coach. Let us coach you through how to navigate these turbulent waters out here in the markets. We'll keep you on the straight and narrow. It's all about making money. Speaking of that, listen up to what I have to share about my own account. What I want to show you is this. I'm going to pull up my personal trading account. This is Interactive Brokers, and I'm going to show you and point out a few things. If you look here, I have a list of stocks that I'm holding, and my positions, the price I got into them, and the market value. Coming over here, this is my unrealized profit and loss. So at this moment, I'm up just over $19,000, and my winners at the top, the losers here at the bottom. And what I did was I realized $21,000 on Friday. So I sold a number of these off, kind of shaved down some of my position sizes, took the profit, and I made this profit within the last week or two. So I went up another 20,000, taking my wife on a nice trip in a month or so. So I'm pulling some money out. And anyway, that I'll be cutting a check or have them issue me a check probably today or tomorrow and get that done. Another thing I want to show you is an email that I just received yesterday, and this is from a Grok grad, Dr. Craig. I'll give you at least his first name, and we have some chats going back and forth. It says, great, yep. Made some money last year watching your videos and doing what you and the cat taught me. I know lots of people have made money this year, I added this year, because the market was up about 35%, but I was up over 50%, exclamation point. Anyway, that's nice success. We applaud success. We love hearing success stories. This is a Grok graduate that his account is basically darn near doubled what the markets have done. And his account grew by 50% because of that. So it's very nice. Anyway, you've already set the perfect foundation to become a great trader. What we're doing is going in and looking and devouring charts. So by the time we're done with mentoring, you're going to have some very important skill sets. What we're trying to do here is make money. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is make money, but we've taught you to trade and trade well and let money be the byproduct of that good behavior in the markets. So what's in it for you? After taking this mentorship, you're going to reach a new level, mastering your trading through technical analysis. You're going to gain secrets to instantly judge and identify the very strongest of trade opportunities that are out there. You're going to know how to professionally trade the easy to spot chart patterns for swing and day trading, stocks, ETFs, futures, or currency. We're going to give you the step-by-step instructions to master advanced entry techniques. And there's going to be a heavy concentration on must-know trading patterns for the biggest money makers. The class will teach you how to instantly scan through your charts and trade the very best patterns, and ignoring those that simply suck our valuable time in the markets. We're going to teach you how to avoid from getting killed by those pesky false breakouts and breakdowns. And we're going to even teach you advanced ways on how to exploit opportunities to make money on them. You're going to reach a master's level when it comes to position sizing and how you scale in and scale out, and the strategies necessary to be able to do that with great confidence. You're going to learn an extreme amount in these 2 days. Your education has already given you a foundation to help you become a master trader. So what I'm asking you to do is enroll into this class to allow us to help make that a reality for you. So what are we doing? We're doing a mentorship. Why are we doing this? We know that not all of you guys are reaching your full potential in the markets. We are here to help you make that a reality. Do not hesitate. I hope you get signed up and join us. You will be so happy you did.